PLC Network here with another unboxing. This time we have another product from the company Blitzwolf. That's a new one that we just recently came across, starting with their soundbar, which we liked a lot. And now we have a pair of wireless earbuds. So we're going to pop this open. We're going to see what it's like inside, what it comes with, and you'll hear more about this on the website. And this is the BW-ANC1 in-ear headphones, and that's cool. ANC, anytime you see that in model number, it typically means active noise canceling. So always a bonus feature when you're buying headphones. Let's see here, we got a case, we have some documentation, a little kind of fold out, just talks about, are you happy with us? You have a user manual that's going to run you through using the headphones, looks like in different languages. The case itself is kind of like a foam-like design, so kind of like a semi-hard case design. It does have some give to it, but it's going to provide you with more than enough protection if you just simply throw that into your backpack or something. And everything's protected in some foam. So these are the headphones themselves, and you kind of have like a cool accessory that hangs from them. It's a little different. You have pretty much a Y-type design in your cable. You have a microphone that's inline right here. Looks like, nope, you do have buttons that are actually part of the little piece here. And so they probably did this so they can get some extra juice for the active noise canceling. So this is just gonna stick to your shirt, and you'll put these in your ears, have fun with your music. It's probably gonna be best if you kind of hide it maybe behind you if you don't like that hanging in front of you. However, if you do that, you'll lose your controls, or at least easy access to your controls, since this contains those. The actual little box here, you have, besides the clip, obviously you have a 3-button control. You have your next and previous track control, which also acts as your volume. You have a little middle button here that's gonna answer or turn down phone calls. Play, pause, music, so forth. It's kind of like an all-in-one there. And the side of this little unit has a little on and off button right here that you press down and hold to power up the headphones. And then you have a small little USB input here. Looks like you have micro USB for charging it. Additionally, in the case, you have a really small, little shorty micro USB to USB cable, again, for charging it. And you have some tips, some ear tips. And it appears they give you kind of a typical configuration. You have your small and your large. Already on it are your mediums. So you got small, medium, and large. So you got 3 different tip sizes. You typically find that in most of today's earbuds. And you have this small little round puck thing. And what these always do is you just kind of hook these to your cables to the left and the right side. You pop that in there, and you're able to slide it up and down and to kind of tighten it to the bottom of your chin if you so choose, if you feel that you're more comfortable with headphones that do that. If not, you can easily just put that off to the side, throw it away, do whatever you want, or put on another pair of headphones. But that's it. Real simple design, while also kind of going completely unique with it, with this little accessory hanging. Hopefully they sound good. We'll have a full story about this at plcnetwork.net. And again, this is the BW for Blitzwolf ANC1 headphones, active noise canceling in-ear headphones. So go check them out at plcnetwork.net. We'll have a story about this. We'll tell you if we like them or not. We'll give them a listen to a bunch of tracks and see what we think. And again, as always, we thank you for watching. And if you like what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe below, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.